Welcome back to the Life After Wheat kitchen. Today we're making gluten-free fruit pizza. This recipe uses my Swig Copycat Sugar Cookies as a base, and they're so good. It's also a super simple dough to make so that you can be enjoying this recipe in no time. You can use just about any gluten-free flour in this recipe. The dough is going to be softer and stickier than regular cookie dough. While the crust is baking, or while it's cooling, you can go ahead and mix up the frosting. This is a delicious, tangy cream cheese frosting that perfectly offsets the sweet sugar cookie dough. And it's so creamy. Once the crust is completely cool, you can set it out with your frosting and whatever fruit you'd like to use as toppings. You can go totally simple here using only 2 or 3 fruits, or you can get really creative and customize it for whatever holiday you're celebrating. I just know you're going to love this fruit pizza. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.